Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll cover 50 essential office phrases that you can use during meetings and presentation. So let's get started. The first sentence is welcome to the meeting. Welcome to the meeting. Let's get started. Let's get started. The third sentence is please take your seats. Please take your seats. The next sentence is can we begin now? Can we begin now? The next sentence is thank you for joining us today. Thank you for joining us today. The next sentence is I appreciate your time. I appreciate your time. The next sentence is we have a lot to cover today. We have a lot to cover today. The next sentence is let's keep the meeting on track. Let's keep the meeting on track. The next is any questions before we start? Any questions before we start? Please mute your microphones. Please mute your microphones. Let's review the agenda. Let's review the agenda. Next one is moving on to the next point. Moving on to the next point. Next, we need to discuss the budget. We need to discuss the budget. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Can you elaborate on that? Can you elaborate on that? Please share your thoughts. Please share your thoughts. That's a great suggestion. That's a great suggestion. Let's vote on this proposal. Let's vote on this proposal. We need to finalize this today. We need to finalize this today. Please keep it brief. Please keep it brief. The next is let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. The next one is we'll reconvene in 10 minutes. We'll reconvene in 10 minutes. We are running out of time. We are running out of time. Let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up. Thank you for your input. Thank you for your input. We'll follow up on this later. We'll follow up on this later. Can we schedule another meeting? Can we schedule another meeting? I'll send out the meeting minutes. I'll send out the meeting minutes. Please review the document. Please review the document. Let's set some action items. Let's set some action items. We need to stay focused. We need to stay focused. Please clarify your point. Please clarify your point. Let's table this for now. Let's table this for now. That's beyond our scope. That's beyond our scope. We need a consensus. We need a consensus. Let's summarize our discussion. Let's summarize our discussion. The next one is I agree with your perspective. I agree with your perspective. Will take it under advisement. Will take it under advisement. Please provide an update. Please provide an update. Let's collaborate on this project. Let's collaborate on this project. We need more resources. We need more resources. Let's review the data. Let's review the data. Please share your screen. Please share your screen. Can we get a status report? Can we get a status report? I appreciate your feedback. I appreciate your feedback. Let's move to the next item. Let's move to the next item. We need to address this issue. We need to address this issue. That's a valid point. That's a valid point. We need to make a decision. We need to make a decision. The last sentence is thank you for your participation. Thank you for your participation. Thanks for watching.